Howdy! Wanna make healthy and fudgy brownies using zucchini? They are vegan, sugar-free, and topped with crunchy nuts. So yummy! First, let's make Chia eggs, soaking Chia seeds in water. Give the seeds a quick stir and let them rest in the fridge. Let's also soak the dates, which we will use to make our brownies super fudgy and sugar-free. Leave them in water for 10 minutes. Now, let's get the happy zucchini and chop them loosely, just enough for them to fit in your blender. Get a blender and chip in the zucchini and the dates. Give everything a good blitz until you get a smooth cream. Now, for the exciting part, chocolate. Grab the choco and melt it in a double boiler. If you don't have a proper one, just like us, fill a saucepan with water and add another small bowl or pot inside, making sure it's in contact with the hot water. Then, place the chocolate in the bowl and wait for it to melt. Now, get a bowl, add the zucchini and dates cream, cocoa powder, Chia egg, peanut butter, baking powder, and vanilla essence. Give it a good stir. And then add in the melted chocolate. Incorporate everything into a sticky dough. Now, get a tray lined with parchment paper and flatten the dough with the help of a spatula. The parchment paper will make it easy to pop out the brownies later. Blitz cashew nuts into a prolene and sprinkle them over the brownie slab evenly. This part is optional, but it will make the brownies even more special. Let's bake the brownies at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit static for 35 minutes. Once baked, let the tray cool for a few minutes and then transfer the slab over a rack. Let it harden in the fridge for 15 minutes. All is left to do now is slicing this beauty into squares. Even though we didn't use any butter, these brownies are going to melt in your mouth. Promised! Need any help? Reach out in the comments below and we'll be right there. Enjoy your vegan zucchini brownies!